ndị anyị bịa ka anyị nye leta na egwu na-atụzi ha maka na ha bụzi ndị Igbo atụba ha asị Mazi Obi-Okoli ozi ga-adres up and also address
Cha Igbo mma mmanụ Igbo kwezuolu biko ka nsị ndị n'oyibo maka ndị anyị nọ n'obodo ha ka ha wee nwe ha njizi ebe a. British ladies and gentlemen, lend me your ears. I have not come here to praise Nigeria, but to tell Nigeria the truth. Nigeria is a country that has refused to respect human rights. Every day in Nigeria, extrajudicial killings are happening. Colonization is happening right under our noses. There is nobody that is free in Nigeria. Our children are dying, our women are dying. And we cannot gloss these things over with nice speeches every day and pretense. We speak to the British community. You amalgamated Nigeria in 1914. And we are saying after 100 years that the amalgamation is no longer holding. We have 200 million people in Nigeria, over 250 languages. You amalgamated us in 1914. On a daily basis, Nigeria is retrogressing. We have not advanced beyond anything. We are each day going backwards. Look at all the men and women here today. They have come to your land, not because we don't have a land, not because we don't have a land flowing with milk and honey. We want to go back to our own land. But you amalgamated us with the Fulanis, the Hausas that have no love for any humanity. Our women have come here today to say that enough is enough. Our men have come here today to say enough is enough. Our children have come here to say enough is enough. You can see today that we are opposite the Nigerian embassy. The cowards they are. They have refused to come out and accept our letter. But we are not daunted. We are not afraid. We are not scared. Because the truth will set everybody free. And the truth they pretend is that the Igbos of the southeast Nigeria, we want to go. We are tired of being called Nigerians. We are tired of belonging to a nation that does not respect human rights. We are tired of a nation that is embedded with corruption, nepotism, and tribalism. We are tired of belonging to a nation that her citizens are despised everywhere they go in the world. We want a nation where freedom, justice, and unity. We want a nation. We want a nation. We want a nation where freedom, justice, and equity will reign. We demand that our women and our children should stop being killed in Igbo land. We demand that the federal government withdraw her troops from our territory. We demand that the Fulani people should stop rearing cows within our land, raping our women and killing our children. We demand that Britain pressurize Nigeria to have a referendum in the southeastern of Nigeria so that we can decide if we want to be Nigerians or not. Our fundamental human rights guaranteed under the United Nations that we should be free as human beings to have the freedom of association, the freedom of religion, the freedom of speech, and the freedom to a sustainable existence. And the Igbos of Nigeria, we are over 80 million people, very entrepreneurial people. We can be the best nation in Africa. We have all it takes to build a nation in Africa. And many Africans will stop coming to the United Kingdom because they will have somewhere in Africa to go to. We have the highest number of medical doctors, the highest number of nurses, the highest number of IT consultants, the highest number of police officers, the highest number of military, African military in the American government. We demand a nation where we can be free to raise our children. And they will be proud anywhere they go in the world to say, yes, alas, Great Britain. Here is an Igbo man that is proud to be Igbo. Here is an Igbo man that is not shy to be Igbo. Here is an Igbo man that can show the world that Africans, and in particular the black race, can excel beyond reasonable doubt. All of us here, we have all doctors, medical doctors, nurses, IT consultants. We have done well in Britain. So it is not in doubt what we can do. But Nigeria is holding us to ransom. The Hausas are holding us to ransom. The Fulanis are holding us to ransom. They have refused to allow us to progress. We want a free nation where everybody can come and feel free. Great Britain, hear my voice today. Hear the voice of 80 million Igbos in Nigeria. We say, enough.
To Mazi Obi-Okoli. We are streaming live, so it's on our voting. Njenje, N-J-E-N-J-E. Yes. So where next now?
We're going to
Downing Street to see Boris Johnson. Boris Johnson, we are coming.
La 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 la.